Hi there and welcome to the second video demo for my project. So in this video demo we're going to look at the features that have been added since the last video demo in December. So my project is the tactics tool. So first thing we're going to have a look at is that I've changed the add a function to change the pause and play buttons from two separate buttons to now being one button. So we can see this just here. So now what will happen is when the video is playing, the button will read pause, and when the video is paused, the button will read play. So let's have a quick look at that and see how that works. So as you can see, that works there by pausing and playing the video. The next thing that has been added since the last video demo is we have added a seek slider. What this allows the user to do is to fast forward and rewind the video to certain sections of the video. So we'll see here how that works. So as you so as you can see, that moves the video forward and can move the video back as well, whether the video is paused or playing. So if we go back onto the code, the next thing that we created to do with the video controls was we now allow the user to change the speed of the video, effectively putting it into slow motion. So we've created these functions here, and these are called in the video controls menu, just here and here and here. So these three buttons will change the speed to 0.5, 0.2, as well as putting it back to normal speed. So we'll have a look and see how that now works. This is it now at half speed. We've dropped it down now to 0.2, and we now take it back to normal. So that's most of the video controls now end, unless there's any. That's the key video controls I've established that need to be there. Currently I don't think there need to be any more video controls, but if I find that further down the line that there needs to be, we can certainly do that. So the next major step in the creation of the tactics tool is to try and allow the user to actually draw over the top of the video. This has been something that I've been spending a lot of time working on and trying to figure out how to do. Currently, as of yet, I'm unable to let the user draw the video, but I've been certainly trying to create something. So at the minute, I've created a JavaScript that will let the user draw, selecting the color from the palette down here. So we can take a look at that script, which is just here. So we have event listeners, and they will listen for the mouse to see if it's being pressed, and if its mouse is pressed down, it'll draw, and if it's up, it won't draw. And then as well, there's a wee menu which is created to allow the user to select the color. So let's have a look and see how that works, just as an example for what will be able to happen, hopefully, on the video. But that is the next step in the process, is allowing us to put that over the top of the video, and that's what the next major step will be in the creation of the tactics tool. Some of the things that we're still working on to get this completed is we will still need to create a database, create a login page, finish the drawing tools, set it up that it allows the user to upload a video of their choice, as well as allow the user to save what they've drawn over it. So thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.